Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Coach Jackson with Howard County Recreation and Parks Flag Football Program. I am also the site manager as well as the head referee, and this is...
Hey guys, Coach Cameron here. I am the referee for Howard County Recreation and Parks. I also coach 5-6 flag football for them as well. We bring it over to Coach Isaac.
Hey guys, it's Coach Isaac. I'm one of the coaches with the program as well as one of the referees.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here to walk you guys through a couple of drills that you guys can actually do at home that will help your skills out in flag football, or just to even work out. All right, we'll go through a couple of drills, showing you each one of them. Just make sure that you are practicing social distancing. I know you guys all are still battling COVID-19, so just make sure you get into a nice area, a nice friendly space, so you guys can go ahead and do the drills too. Let's go ahead and get this thing started.
How you guys doing? It's Coach Isaac here. We're gonna work with the footwork drills first. All right, we'll do a zigzag and then a jump cut. All right, right here I'm using hexagon cones. But if you don't have those, you can use any object in your house as long as it's stationary. All right, so first drill is going to be the zigzag. So what you want to do, all right, you want to start right at the front of the cone. You're going to go to each cone and cut on the inside of the cone. All right, on the inside of the cone, going from cone to cone. When you're done, go ahead and sprint 5 yards. The next footwork drill we'll work on is the jump cut. What you want to do is set up 5 stationary objects like so. You're going to practice on getting as close to a defender as you would, and then jump cut to the outside. This is going to simulate getting away from the defender. Here we go. Coach Isaac here. The next drill we'll work on is quarterback fundamentals. We'll work on scanning down the field as well as the quarterback drop. If you don't have anybody to throw to, go ahead and find a trash can, recycling bin, or any other stationary object. Here we go. So with quarterback fundamentals, we'll work on moving your feet and scanning down the field. If you don't have a partner, you can go ahead and just say it to yourself. You'll go through the cones, 1, 2, and 3. You'll step up, and when somebody says go, or when you're ready to throw,
3.
Go ahead and throw it.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, boys and girls, Coach Jackson is here. Coach Isaac just got finished working out you guys on some footwork drills. This is all leading up to different route wide receiver combinations, all right? I'm gonna show you how to go from the 5 and in, the 5 and out, and then the 5 and out, and then go. Let's get it popping. All right, first drill we are going to go over for wide receivers route running. It is going to be a 5 and in. What I want you to remember on this one, okay? You want to make sure that your inside foot is towards the quarterback. So if I'm looking straight right here, that's my 5 cone right there. I want to make sure that my inside foot is towards the quarterback if he's on this side. If he's on that side, my inside foot is forward, other foot back, and I'm looking straight ahead. Finally, one more thing. When you are catching the ball, make sure you show the diamond, all right? This is to make sure that your quarterback knows where to throw the football at. When my quarterback sees that target, he knows exactly to where to hit me. All right, let's do it. All right, got my coach and my quarterback right here.
Hey.
All right, I'm in wide receiver position. Since my quarterback is right there, I'm making sure that my inside foot is towards the quarterback. He will not throw me the ball until I show him where my target is. After I hit my 5 and in.
Set.
Right. All right, Coach Jackson here with our second route for wide receivers. All right, what I want you to do on this one, similar to the 5 and in, is the 5 and out. The only difference is I'm starting inside and I'm going 5 and then out. Still making sure to show my target to my quarterback. Let's do it. Go. Got my coach and my quarterback right here. Remember, all I'm making sure I'm doing, I want to keep that inside foot towards the quarterback, show him that target as soon as I hit that out route. All right?
Go.
All right, Coach Jackson here with our last route. Now we have showed you the 5 and in, and we've also showed you the 5 and out. Now, our next route that we are going to do is the 5 and out and then go. All right, on this route, you want to make sure once you hit your 5 and out, you give a slight hesitation, a little look back, and then you go get the ball. All right, your quarterback is going to be throwing it out there, so you got to make sure that you use all your speed to go and get it. Let's do it. All right, Coach Jackson here with our last route. 5, out, and then go. Got my quarterback over here. Now, make sure when you hit that 5 and out, you give a little hesitation to make the defense look silly, and you go get that ball. Go. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. This has been a video by Coach Jackson,
Coach Cameron.
and Coach Isaac. We out.